Fuel prices keep increasing across the city. What we've seen as majority of the cities across India have had petrol prices cross 100. In Mumbai itself, the petrol price had crossed 100 approximately 1.5 months back. But today, the cost of petrol is approximately 100 or 106.99. That is approximately 107 rupees, whereas that of diesel is 97.50. Diesel is also closing 100 now, whereas we've seen an increase in the number of LPG rates as well. We've seen that over the last year, there are various opposition parties who are conducting protests across the country, be it in Mumbai or for that matter other places as well, or be it Chandigarh or for that matter even in Kashmir. And that is because the rates of petrol have risen. Even for the matter of fact, while there's been an increase in the number of LPG rates, and as a result of which people, that is a common man, has constantly been saying this is affecting their household. And there were protests by NCP leaders as well over the last few days with the LPG cylinders as their prop, and they had said that this increase in rate by the central government has affected people drastically. While the central government has said that this increase is because of the pandemic and gradually the rates would come down once the pandemic stops, but apart from that, they've also said that the increase in the price of fuel is because of the overall increase in the international market.
The fuel prices in Bengaluru has reached sky high. Here in Bengaluru, people have to shell out up to 104 rupees 35 paise for petrol and 95 rupees 32 paise per litre for diesel, making a huge hole in common man packet where people have to shell more money whenever they have to refill the tank. People are demanding that the government have to try to do something when it comes to increasing prices. Sir, how difficult it is, because the prices have increased up to 103 rupees here in Bengaluru. How difficult it is for you?
It's actually 104.35 now. I just saw it, and yeah, I don't think it's a good idea. I don't think it's what's happening is not that right.
What is the demand from the government for you?
Not a demand or something, but I think this is something essential for everybody to run around. So they should maybe make it affordable for the people, that's all.
Okay. Yeah. So this is the voice of the people over here who are claiming that the government have to do something which can help a common man and reduce the price and which is be affordable for the people. Sir, अभी यहाँ पे देखा तो 104 रुपीस हो चुका है पेट्रोल. कितना प्रेशर पड़ता है आपके ऊपर डे टू डे बजट में?
बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर है सर. डेली हम लोगों को 60-70 का 1 लीटर पेट्रोल चाहिए. अब रियल एस्टेट का बिजनेस करते हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा प्रेशर है, कोई बिजनेस नहीं हो रहा, बहुत प्रॉब्लम है सर.
क्या मांग है सर गवर्नमेंट का?
मांग गवर्नमेंट का यही है कि थोड़ा कम करे. 70-80 का नियर चलता है तो बिजनेस होता है, नहीं तो.
Petrol and diesel prices increasing day by day here in the state of Tamil Nadu as well as across India. Makkal Neethi Mayam cadres here in Chennai Valluvur Kottam have been protesting. As you can see what is behind me, several cadres of Makkal Neethi Mayam have joined in the protest here, protesting against the union government, saying that the union government must be taking some action to help ensure that steps are taken to reduce the number of prices between petrol and diesel. As of now today in Chennai, the petrol prices per litre is almost crossed rupees 100, as well as diesel it has inched towards over 100 rupees. Blame game that has been ongoing between the AIADMK and the DMK, and no action that has been taken yet in the reduction of petrol prices. This is something that they say is what we are protesting against, not only ensuring that they are also demanding action, but they are also saying that some sort of action must be taken either by the state or the union in ensuring that the rising diesel and petrol prices will definitely have to be looked into consideration.
Petrol prices are on continuous hike throughout the country, and even in Jammu and Kashmir they have touched the 100 mark, and petrol is now at 100 rupees and 21 paisa per litre, which is hitting the pocket of common man. They are facing the wrath of what because there are continuous hike in the prices of fuel, and that's why the people there say that they want some relief from the union government. Now the prices have touched 100 marks in Jammu. Shiv Sena has held a protest here. We'll try to speak to some people to get an idea of what they are facing, what exactly they are facing difficulties due to this rise in the prices of fuel. Sir, आपका नाम?
सर कुलवंत सिंह.
कुलवंत जी, मुझे ये बताइए, जो पेट्रोल के प्राइसेस बढ़ रहे हैं तो किस तरह दिक्कत आ रही है?
दिक्कत तो आ रही है, दिक्कत तो आ रही है।
सर पहले कितने का पेट्रोल लगता था, अब कितने का लगता है?
पहले तो हम तो डालते ही 100 रुपये का था पहले, आज भी 100 का ही डाल रहे हैं पर डे।
लेकिन अब
बजट पे तो पड़ा है थोड़ा सा।
So the people are saying that it is affecting their budget. We'll try to speak to some more people. सर आपका नाम?
हरीश।
हरीश जी, मुझे ये बताइए, जो पेट्रोल के प्राइसेस लगातार बढ़ रहे हैं, आप रेगुलर कम्यूटर हैं, तो कितनी दिक्कत होती है?
दिक्कत तो काफ़ी हो रही है जी, बजट सारा डिस्टर्ब हो गया है, सैलरीज बढ़ नहीं रही है, लॉकडाउन की वजह से प्रॉब्लम है, तो ऊपर से ये मार 100 क्रॉस करके आज, तो कैसे एडजस्ट करनी है।
So people are saying that they are facing difficulties. The budget is becoming something difficult for them to manage. सर आपका नाम?
मेरा नाम जी गुरदयाल शर्मा है।
गुरदयाल जी, मुझे ये बताइए, पेट्रोल के जो दाम बढ़े हैं, इससे आपको भी दिक्कत हो रही है?
हमारे इससे हमें इतनी परेशानी है कि पूछो ही मत। हम मंडी में रोज़ दिहाड़ी लगाने आते हैं इधर, तो हमारा तो बजट ही बिगड़ गया है। दिहाड़ी का हमारा 200 रुपया नहीं बनता, 150 का हमें पेट्रोल डालना पड़ता है। महंगाई की बहुत मार है हमारे गरीब लोगों पर। इससे ज़्यादा हम क्या कह सकते हैं?
तो क्या मांग करेंगे सर?
हमारी मांग से क्या मानेगी सरकार? हमारी तो मांगेगी नहीं वो।
So people are saying that even they don't have hopes from the government. This is what, because the prices have now touched 100 mark. आपका नाम?
सर कुलदीप सिंह।
कुलदीप जी, ये जो प्राइसेस बढ़ रहे हैं पेट्रोल के, आपको भी दिक्कत हो रही है?
सर हर इंसान को दिक्कत हो रही है सर। पेट्रोल तो महंगाई तो इसी से बढ़ेगी, जब डीजल और पेट्रोल के रेट बढ़ेंगे तभी तो महंगाई बढ़ेगी।
तो क्या कहेंगे सरकार से, क्या मांग?
सरकार यही रिक्वेस्ट है, थोड़ा ध्यान रखे। अब फुल तो करवाना है, तेल तो पेट्रोल तो यूज़ जितना होना वो तो होना ही है। सरकार थोड़ा टैक्स कम कर दे बस।
So people are saying that the government should give them some relief by waiving off some taxes from the petrol, so that they can get a relief at this time when they are suffering from the COVID lockdown situation. The inflation is going high and high, and even now the petrol prices have gone up. So they are facing this struggle from all the ends, and that's why they want government to give them some relief.